Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can order layers on CapCut PC. So if you go to your library here, and I'm just going to stack on some videos like so. If I can just grab this video here. And as you can see on the right side, there's layer 1 and layer 2. So for instance, I want this layer to be on top, but once I drag it, it's still layer 1. I do have to select layer 2 so it is on top of the first layer. It is tedious, so what I suggest you can do, you should do this. Just go to modify here and enable free layer and press save. So when you switch between layers, you don't have the order layers again. What I usually do is I go to menu, I go to settings, and I go to edit, and I just enable free layer by default when a new project is created, so I don't forget that it's like off, so that it will enable itself every single time I make a new project and I don't have to order layers. I don't know why it's there, because it is easier to just enable free layer and order it like this, but well, you learn something new every day. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!